Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing, delicious, scrumptious Guyanese cheese rolls. Now to my food processor here, I have some cheddar cheese, butter, mustard, scallions, garlic, and some habanero pepper. I did add a little bit of bouillon here as well. You're gonna pulse that until everything is really well incorporated together and you can achieve what you're seeing there. Then we are going to roll our all butter pastry crust, and I'm just kneading up the edges some before I cut this to my desired length, and you can do the same. The length of your cheese roll is actually up to you. So this actually gives me a really nice clean cut to my desired length. Then you are going to take your filling and place that onto your all butter pastry crust. Now be careful not to fill this too much. I did use approximately 2.5 tablespoons. Spread that out on the dough. Then you are going to egg wash the edges. And we are going to fold like so. Then we're going to use a fork and seal the edges of our cheese rolls. Then we are going to egg wash. I did add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix that together, place that over the pastry. Then I use a fork and make some incisions, and this is to let some of the air escape so that the pastry wouldn't burst with the cheese. And this was baked for about 25 to 35 minutes. You will achieve this really golden, amazing, crunchy, scrumptious cheese roll. I just can't wait for you guys to try it. Again, if you guys are new here, please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.